Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing our nails, girl. This is what I came up with. Now, all I did was I took these Kiss Classy press-on nails. They are just the regular like French ombre. So I took them and I just did like a rhinestone design on them just to, zhuzh them up a little bit, not be so plain. So what I do is I take the Beetles nail tip and glue set and I use just the glue out of here, especially when I just want to be lazy and super quick with my nails. I like to get the Kiss. Honestly, the Kiss ones I've tried. This is my, I think, third set. I've never had an issue with them. They always last me like 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks. Always stay on. The paint doesn't chip. I've never had a problem with them breaking or anything like that. So I really am impressed with the Kiss press-on nails. They work really nicely, especially these classy ones. Like I've had ones that already come with designs on there. Now when you're using this kit, it does come with just like plain clear nail tips that you put on, which I do like to use those too, especially when I'm like feeling it and I feel like doing a cute little design or something like that. But like I said, these are a great option when you just want to be super quick about it and you don't want to spend the time painting them. But like I said, I like to go, the extra little mile, girl, and do a cute little design. So I just used your regular like clear silver rhinestones and I used like one black rhinestone for each design. It was really quick, easy. I was just not trying to spend the time painting them. When you're trying to do like a French tip ombre, it is, I can do it with painting, but girl, it takes time. It's a time consuming thing, so I just rather use these because it's just so much quicker. The only thing I will say is though, is you cannot use anything that is too dark colored. These work with this kit because they're a light colored and they're see-through, so the light can penetrate them, but that's okay. I'm good with it. Like if I can get a pair of these, French tips and pop them on and I don't have to worry about painting anything, yeah, I love it. I love how like quick, easy, and cheap it is, because it truly is such a cheap option. Like this Beetles nail tip and glue set has lasted me, I believe I've gotten six or seven sets out of this kit now. I believe I've used the tips out of here 3 times, and I've used these type of nails, like the Kiss press-on nails, 3 or 4 times. So this kit really is worth your money. I can't remember the exact price. I'm going to have everything linked below for you guys. And by the time you see this video, I'm already going to have these nails on for about a week. I have other videos and obligations that I need to do before I can get this video up. So if you have any questions or anything, please ask me. I will get back to you. And if you like these types of videos, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get started on our nails. Okay, girl, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my electric filer and I'm just going to rough up my real nails. Okay, so now that I have them all roughed up, I'm just going to take some nail dehydrator, and I'm also going to put on a nail primer. Now this just came out of kits that I already had, but I will have everything linked below for you in the description box. So now that my primer is dry, I'm just going to take the glue from the Beetles nail tip and glue set, and I'm just going to coat the back of this press-on kiss nail. I'm going to start my light, and I am going to apply this. The most important thing is to make sure that you have it straight before you stick it under the light. Okay, so now that I got them all on, I'm going to switch my lights over to my bigger lights. So you could actually just leave them as is. You don't have to add anything, but of course, girl, I'm gonna zhuzh them up a little bit and put a little design, but just with some rhinestones. So I got this little wheel of rhinestones, and I'm just gonna actually dump just a bunch of them out on my table right here. And then, of course, I got two little black rhinestones that I used out of this little kit. So I'm going to use the rhinestone glue gel, and it comes with this little brush. So I'm just going to take this little end and kind of make like a little S. And I'm just going to start. Kind of like that. Just kind of draw out your line with the rhinestone glue, and then I'm just going to start putting the clear rhinestones down. You can just kind of get your rhinestones placed, and then you can move them around where you need them to go. Now it doesn't matter if you have too much of the rhinestone glue on here, because we're going to take some clear polish in a second, and I'll show you how to fix it if you got too much. And then I'm going to take one of the black and stick in the center, because I just think that makes it pop. And then I'm just going to take my Beetles Top It Off top coat, and I'm just going to kind of run right beside of my line. And this just kind of helps move that rhinestone glue where it's not going to be so much built up on your nail. It's going to help even it out. Now these other ones, I just like to take and coat with the top coat. It just helps them last a little bit longer and not chip. So I'm just going to coat these other couple of nails really quick. Make them a little more shiny. And then I'm going to cure. Okay, and now I'm just gonna do this one. So I'm gonna get some of my rhinestone glue, and I'm just going to start kind of at the top and just bring it on down. And then I'm just going to start filling it in with the clear rhinestones. And this rhinestone glue works so well. I've never had an issue with my rhinestones popping off. I just wanted to do something quick and easy today. I didn't want nothing too complicated. And of course I like my rhinestones. And then I'm going to take the one black one and put it right there in the center. And then I'm going to take my clear coat and just follow along. Just like so. And then I'm just going to clear coat this one. And now I'm just going to cure. Okay, and of course I'm going to use my favorite cuticle oil. I love this stuff. It smells so good. Okay, you guys, so I got my nails completed. I loved how they turned out. They were super quick, easy to do. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you have any questions, just ask. I will get back with you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.